Hey there, and welcome back to Rise and Thrive. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. 5-minute confidence hacks that can give you an instant boost of self-belief. We've all been there, right? Those moments when you're about to walk into a room for a big presentation, a job interview, or even just a social gathering, and those pesky little voices of self-doubt start creeping in. Your heart races, your palms sweat, you question everything. It's the worst. But guess what? You don't have to let those feelings take over. Whether you're heading into a big meeting, gearing up for a presentation, or just need a pick-me-up, these tips are your secret weapon. Let's dive right in. Okay, let's talk about the first confidence hack, the power pose. Stand tall like you're trying to touch the ceiling with the top of your head. Feet shoulder-width apart, hands on your hips, elbows out, channeling your inner superhero. Or raise your arms above your head like a champion who just crossed the finish line. Hold that pose for 2 minutes. Studies show that holding a power pose for just 2 minutes can lower stress hormones like cortisol and boost testosterone, which is associated with confidence. So next time you're feeling nervous, anxious, or just not quite yourself, remember the power pose. Strike this pose in private and own the moment. Hack number 2 is all about rewiring your brain for success with the power of positive affirmations. We are what we think, right? But sometimes our thoughts can spiral into this negative self-talk that really holds us back. Positive affirmations are like a direct antidote to that negativity. Find a mirror, look yourself straight in the eyes, and say something empowering. Something like, "I've got this," or "I am confident and capable." Our brains believe what we tell them repeatedly. When you repeat affirmations, it's like you're planting seeds of self-belief in your subconscious mind. Over time, those seeds start to sprout and grow into unshakable confidence. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and make it a habit to say them out loud, with conviction, every single day. You'll be amazed at the transformation you see in yourself. Chapter 3. The Smile Trick. This next hack is so simple yet so powerful. Smiling can actually trick your brain into releasing feel-good hormones like dopamine and serotonin. These hormones are responsible for feelings of happiness, relaxation, and confidence. When you force yourself to smile, even if you're feeling down, your brain gets the signal that things aren't so bad. So go ahead, try it right now. Smile, make it a big one. Hold it for a few seconds. Even if it's just a tiny shift in your mood, that's your body responding to the smile trick. Make it a habit to smile throughout your day, even when you don't feel like it. Chapter 4. Visualization. Visualization is all about creating a mental picture of yourself succeeding. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and start to visualize yourself succeeding. See yourself walking into that meeting with your head held high, a confident smile on your face. Hear yourself delivering that presentation with clarity and conviction. Feel the sense of accomplishment washing over you as you nail that job interview. The more vivid and detailed you can make your visualizations, the more real they will feel to your brain. Your brain doesn't know the difference between something you vividly imagined and something you've actually experienced. By repeatedly visualizing yourself succeeding, you're giving yourself a mental rehearsal that helps to program your mind and body for success. The more you do it, the easier it will become, and the more powerful its effects will be. Chapter 5. The 5-second rule. This last hack is one of my favorites because it's so simple, yet so effective. It's called the 5-second rule, and it's all about interrupting those negative thoughts and self-doubt before they have a chance to take root. The next time you find yourself hesitating, feeling afraid, or doubting yourself, don't overthink it. Start counting down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you get to 1, that's your cue to take action. Immediately. Get out of bed, send that email, apply for that job, whatever it is that you've been putting off. The 5-second rule interrupts that cycle of overthinking and procrastination. It's about reclaiming your power and taking control of your actions, one 5-second countdown at a time. Keep it in your back pocket and pull it out whenever you need a boost of courage or a push to break through fear and self-doubt. There you have it. 5 easy hacks to boost your confidence in just minutes. Remember, confidence is not something you're born with. It's something you build, one step at a time. Try one or all of these next time you need a confidence boost, and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. I love hearing your stories. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rise and Thrive for more tips on living your best life. See you next time.